Now the next periodic law is that is Newland law of octaves. Okay, so when you talk about this one, the meaning of the octave, what is meaning of octave? Octave means 8. Okay, so let us see, student, that is in the short when you are talking to understand this one, octave is there, octave. So when you are talking about the octaves, friend, this is that is he said that is every eighth elements having similar properties, having similar properties to first element, okay, similar properties to first element. So this is the law, first elements. Now what we have to understand, this actually this is given by the okay English chemist. Okay, so he was the worker in the sugar factory. Then he left the job and he started studying the elements, properties of element. Then that is the name of the scientist is this was the John Newland. So here if you want to know, that is little divide, this is given by who given, that is English chemist. Okay, he was the British chemist, actually you can say English chemist or that is British chemist, both are same. And name is what, that is John Newland. So here is John Newland. Actually what the John Newland said in the 1865, the he given that is octave law. He gave the octave law. So let us study, friend, what is the octave law. Here I am erasing and then I am telling you the the law he proposed for the classification of the elements. So this law was the quite successful up to the few elements. And he said when elements are, okay, law I am writing the octave law. So what the octave law, he said that when elements are arranged in increasing order of, what, atomic masses. So when they are arranging in the increasing order of atomic masses, then what is happening, increasing of atomic masses, then every eighth element is in similar properties with first element. Okay, with first elements. Now this you try to understand, friend, in the also this is also that he said that is based on what, that is based on the musical notes. Okay, musical notes, based on, this is also based on musical note. A musical notes is what, friend, that is saregama pa is there. So after the every 8 the same is getting repeated. So let us see, that is what is the notes are there, musical notes are there. What is the notes, friend? First note is sa, re, next one is ga, next one is ma, pa, dha, ni. Again what will come? Again sa. So sare gama pa dha ni. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is again the same. So if you want to know, that is if you want to arrange the element, that is suppose lithium, then what will come? Lithium, then beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Then again what will come? That is sodium, then will come sodium. After the sodium it will come magnesium, then aluminium, then it will come silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, then again it will come potassium and then calcium. dear friend, it is applicable up to calcium only, not for the all the element. Now you see, you start from any of the element. Every 8 elements is having the same property. Suppose lithium, if you talk about lithium, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, lithium and sodium is having the same property. How can you say that is lithium and sodium is having same property? Because both are the alkali metal, both are the metal. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, whatever we have mentioned here, all is having the similar properties. Now let us see first element. Okay, first element, if you want to see, first element is lithium, and eighth element, if you want to know eighth element, so eighth element is which one, is student? This is the sodium. If you see electronic configuration, if you want to see, that is 2 and 1. Outer cell is having 1 electron. Sodium, if you want to know, that is how much is there? 2, 8 and 1. So again outer cell is having how many electron? That is 1 electron is there. So that is, if you talk about valency, so valency is how much will come? 1. Oxidation number, if you want to talk about oxidation number, is +1. And if you talk about the any other properties, they all are the metal. So what they are saying, that is, when the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, then every 8th elements are getting repeated with the properties. Now you see, if you talk about the beryllium, so beryllium, suppose if you are considering 1, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this one is, if it is 1, so it is there. Beryllium and magnesium, if you talk about beryllium and magnesium, both are having same property. So whatever the Newland discovered this periodic table, that was the quite feasible. Up to what this periodic table is feasible, acceptable for the calcium. For the higher atomic mass element, this periodic table is not applicable. And why this periodic table fail? See, in this one there is no place, we are not putting the noble gases. So after the discovery of the noble gases, this will be also failed. So that is when you are going to write the limitation of the this Newland octave law. Let us write the sum of the limitation. There is the few limitation is there. Okay, 1 2 limitation are there. So what is the limitation number 1, friend? When you want to know the limitation number 1, so applicable only for elements, applicable only for elements up to calcium, or up to atomic number 40. This is the first limitation. If you go for the second one, it is not applicable. It is not applicable for what, student? Not applicable for heavier elements. If you talk about, so it is not applicable for heavier elements. So those who are having atomic number like that 80, 90, 70, okay, they are not applicable. Third is no place for noble gases. So after the discovery, at this time actually the noble gases were not discovered during the Newland octave law, and after that noble gases. But when you are going to include the noble gases, so after 8th element, so it will become, the law will become after the 9th element. Okay, every 9th element will be the similar to the first element. So this law will be failed for the higher element. Thank you.